It's your boy Mike Lowry, Lowry Trading Academy. So you already know that we ate today. Very small eating, but we ate. All right, it was a fast move today. Put the Discord here for you guys. Man, it was fast. But look, Shorty hit 100%. These are my trades. 450 bucks. So in the watch list, now the watch list did, let's see, Apple 280 bounce. Did we ever get that? We did not. Apple went crazy above 284.5 though. Apple's been going nuts. And then we got AMD. So AMD was the one that we hit from 224 to 226. So this I called out. Excuse me. It happened pretty fast. So at the open, we saw this wick happen right off here. Excuse me. We saw this wick happen right here, and then huge green candles. So that was like indication. All right, cool. We still waited, right? We still waited for our close above 223, 224. So if you're on live, I told you guys we're gonna wait for that close above and grab that retest. Now there's two times you could have grabbed this retest, right? I grabbed the retest right here to there. Was done. You could have grabbed it from here. Well, I guess I should make that a little bit smaller. My retest was literally that wick right there, right? So like this. As soon as this candle closed, this was my retest, this was my entry, and then take profit was up here. Your second one could have been entry. I wouldn't have liked it as much. We could have entered here and then take profit there and just use like right here to stop loss, right? Uh, Again, this is why we don't be greedy. We just take our profits because we ended up not making higher highs, ended up falling, as you can see. So now we're just gonna see. We're done for the day. We got our money for the day. Now we're just gonna see where price goes. On the intraday, I called out the entering AMD calls now. AMD 227.5 calls, average $4, and then instant, like literally TP hit from 841 to 845, from 840 to 845. See, I literally bought, sold. It was a 5 minute move. So I worked 5 minutes today, right? Technically, I just worked 5 minutes today. But now I gotta do the YouTube video. I gotta make some content for y'all. But we're curious to see where it goes. Now I am gonna see. I still want to drop down to the 675 range. See what we do down here to go long from there. So maybe we'll get a big move today, which should be nice because we're just stuck. I mean, we've just been stuck in this range. Like, it is not. Let's go right there. It's not the best. Like you're probably losing money if you're trading in this. Look at all those wicks on the 1 hour. There's nothing. I mean, there's nothing to catch. I know my boy. He caught. He actually caught the SPY. He caught this little move right here. I got a 2 minute. He caught this retest from 683 to 684 almost, and that was it. And then boom. So that was crazy. That's a good retest right there. But look, are we? That's the thing. But we have like untested Asia lows, untested London lows, another untested London lows, untested Asia. So it's like, dude, yeah, we might feel that, but I'll just wait for the way up. There's no reason to be greedy today. This is a great setup to take it further down. I'm just not giving anything back. We're still in that range. Hood, actually, what would the hood do today? Hood's reversal would have been nice. That 128 to 126 would have been gorgeous. See, look, so we're overbought, right? So this is a perfect one. We're overbought, all right? We have bearish divergence on the 2 minute, all right? And then we break above weak, right? Instantly the bears took over right here. right there, that second candle, equal volume. Oh snap, let's see what happens. I'm not gonna grab that retest, probably a weak retest. Break below now. Now the bears done took over. Bear down, baby. So now we take that 128.37 reject down to 126.45. Could have been your trade of the day. Meta, I didn't touch Meta today. Tesla, I touched Tessie. I touched Tessie. Um, but that was also a very fast move. I took this bounce right here at 432.5 and sold at 433.9. So almost $2 move there, and then that was literally it. So that was a snipe. Nvidia, I took this 183 to I sold right here to 184.3. So like I'm just catching. I just caught dollar moves. Obviously, like the bigger move today would have been waiting for that to play out. Really, I mean, we could have just waited till we got back under back under there. That's your retest, and then that's your continuation down. So, yeah, probably could have got a better read on the day and caught shorts instead of what I did catch, but I still hit my target for the day. So now it's just more of showing you guys different ways to play this stuff.